Here I have FOSSiBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly, you should open this contacts application, tap skip, then go to fix and manage section, tap manage SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to copy or transfer. So when you're done selecting, just tap import, and after that these contacts will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.